This is the Creative Stage. It is a high-performance under-monitor soundbar. We're going to unbox and set it up. These are the items in the box. It's got some wall mounting screws, it's got a remote control, a cable, a quick setup guide, the soundbar itself, and a subwoofer. Now that we've unboxed the Creative Stage items, it's time to set it up and we'll connect it to our TV. Plug the power cable of the soundbar into the power sockets and you can turn it on. Next, from the subwoofer itself, there is a cable out. You need to plug the cable onto the soundbar where it says for subwoofer. Next, we'll plug the cable that comes in box onto the soundbar and the TV. Using the cable, plug it into the AUX or auxiliary. Plug the other end to the TV. Before the cables plug in, the sound for the TV will now automatically come from the soundbar once you turn it on. So let's power on the soundbar. Okay, now there's no sound coming out because of the input. Press on the input to make sure that it is in the AU or the auxiliary mode, and you can see that the sound is now coming from the soundbar, and you can toggle the volume up or volume down using the remote control. So this is how you unbox and set up your Creative Stage and connect it to your TV using the cable.